Hi, John from quotez.me. Let me paint you a quick picture. A tree falls on your car during a thunderstorm, causing major damage. Oops, but you don't have insurance coverage. You get your car towed. It costs you $300. You take your car to the body shop. Body shop quotes you $5,000 for repair. Now you're out $5,000 plus when you could have got a quote from quotez.me and then purchased insurance, and you would have been covered for this scenario. If you had, let's say, a $500 or $1,000 deductible, you would have only been out $1,000 or $500 instead of $5,000 plus. So how about let's be safe and let's go to quotez.me and get a few insurance quotes that could save you time and money. Alright, thanks for listening, and hope to see you over at quotez.me.